In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a flight animation effect in PowerPoint 2013. This is a creative way to bring your presentations to life, making static images feel dynamic and impactful. Let's dive right into it and see how you can achieve this eye-catching effect using just a few simple steps. Firstly, make sure that you have PowerPoint 2013 open on your computer. Once you have it up and running, navigate to the specific presentation where you want to add this animation. You can either open an existing presentation or start a new one, whichever suits your needs better. Now let's add the focal point of this effect, the airplane image. Find a suitable airplane image that you'll want to animate and insert it into your slide. This image will serve as the central piece in our flight animation sequence. Take a moment to position it where you want it to begin its path. Typically, starting from one side of the slide is effective. With the airplane image selected, it's time to give it some motion. Head over to the Animations tab on the top menu. This tab is the powerhouse for all moving effects in PowerPoint, and exploring it will give you various possibilities to enhance your visual storytelling. Next, click on the Animation drop-down menu. You'll see a range of options appear here. What we're focusing on today is the motion path category. Motion paths allow you to define a trajectory for your image to follow as it moves across the screen. It's a flexible tool that can mimic the effect of flying quite naturally. Within the motion path options, locate and select the line effect. This choice will enable your airplane to travel in a linear direction, giving the impression of flight. Once you've selected the line motion path, you'll notice that a line appears on your slide. This indicates the path your image will follow. It's typically drawn from the starting point to the end point right away. At this stage, you can customize the path to fit the precise travel pattern you want your airplane to follow. Simply click and drag the endpoint of the line to the desired location. For added creativity, consider positioning it with slight curves or extending it further across the slide to mimic a longer journey. Remember to preview your animation by pressing the preview button in the ribbon at the top. It's always a good idea to ensure everything is moving as expected. Once you're satisfied with the animation, you're all set to incorporate this compelling effect into your presentation. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've successfully created a flight animation effect in PowerPoint 2013 that can quite literally take your presentations to new heights. Experiment with more images and animations to fully harness the possibilities PowerPoint offers. Thanks for watching, and happy animating.